here I am, and I'm going to do today my lemonade box and my Scentful. 2 for the price of 1. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. I'm a happy person, this is a happy place, and it's full of really happy people. I do lots of shopping and hauls and quite a few unboxings, so if you like that kind of thing and you think, yeah, let's have a bit of a chat, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. So, lemonade box. Now, like last month, they sent me an email. They must still be having printer issues. So, to start off, there is always, let me have a little look, see which is which, hang on. First of all, there is our mission for the month of December. So this is December's box. It's December, less than 1 month of 2020 left. It's definitely been a very testing year for us all, but you made it and we're so proud of you. This month, all we want you to do is relax. Enjoy the remainder of the year as much as you can. Spend time with your loved ones while staying as safe and as cautious as possible. Smile often, laugh often, remind yourself how lucky you are to have made it through the year. By God, that's true, isn't it? Remind yourself of all the blessings you have in your life. Think about all the fun and amazing things you're going to do when the new year comes and COVID-19 is a thing of the past. I'm hanging on for that, to be free again. The adventures will be back before you know it. Until then, enjoy the rest of 2020 and know that you conquered it. I love this. You conquered it. You're amazing and you are unstoppable. Good luck, gorgeous. As always, we're rooting for you. I love their mission messages. I love them every month. I love them. So, yeah, and you know, it's true. We are still standing. You know, like that song, I'm still standing. And I won't sing, I'm a dreadful singing voice. But it is, we're still standing. And some of us have been desperately ill and we're still going on. Some of us have got family members who are ill and we're still fighting on. So yeah, I like that mission, but let's get on to the goodies inside. So I'm having to read it off here. So apologies if I look even dafter than usual. So first up, I put it next to me. Got the usual, psst, yeah, you, the one with the beautiful smile. That's normally stuck on the inside of the box, but it was loose in it this time. So first up is by Ishka. Organic seaweed, natural skincare and nourishing face oil. Do you know, like a lot of people who have oily skin, I used to avoid oils like the plague, and I've discovered that my skin loves them. And if I want my skin to perform, oils are the way to go. I use a lot of oil cleansers, you know, the ones that turn into like a milk when you put water on. But I also like to moisturise with oils. So this one is seaweed. Let's see what they've got to say about it, because I don't know Ishka. And I don't know what the advantages of seaweed are. This says, first up is our December spoiler number 1. From the brand that is typically found in luxury spas across the globe, because we love you, we decided to bring it straight to your doorstep. This aromatic facial oil is the key to a balanced and naturally moisturised complexion. The light and sweet almond oil coupled with the jojoba oils are perfect for soothing and nourishing the skin without blocking pores. The regenerative healing seaweed extract also provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals and essential fatty acids. So it's got almond oil and jojoba in it, and then the seaweed. So I wonder, will it smell, oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that out of the box. I wonder if it will smell so predominantly of the almond. Let's get some, oh, came out really quickly. Let me just see. Oh my God. That is like a high-end spa. That smell. Oh. Do you know, I don't know if the oil does any good, but I sometimes find that the smells of certain things, it really doesn't matter what the product is doing, the smell sort of lifts me anyway. That is just like, you know, I've been to some lovely ones. I've been to, has anyone here been to Ragdale Hall? I've been to Ragdale Hall. I love Ragdale Hall. I've been to a few spas and that is very spa-like, and just, yeah, it says drift away. It says let go. It says it doesn't matter. I'm waxing lyrical today, I'm in a funny mood. So I am very happy to have that. I didn't see what the price was. Hang on, I didn't read you the price. The recommended retail price is £42, and I believe that. Okay, next up is an Umberto Gianni 60-second smooth pre-shampoo treatment. Recommended retail of £8.75. This bad boy is exactly the top-up of treatment you didn't know you needed. Designed to elasticize and protect your hair against breakage once you go Umberto Gianni. It's safe to say you never go back. It delivers intense moisture and shine from nature's finest, coconut and jojoba oils, and makes your hair easier to manage. Trust us, with regular use, your hair game will be the strongest it's ever been. It's a lovely bottle, look at that. How pretty is that in the pink? And it's a nice big bottle too. I mean, it's 200 mils or 6.7 fluid ounces. And it says it helps stop breakage and strengthens hair. Intense moisturization with shine, helps add body and bounce to hair. So before, this is like the Philip Kingsley elasticizer. So it says, before shampooing, wet your hair and avoiding the roots, apply the treatment, leave for 60 seconds and rinse out. Use it once a week or more to help prevent hair breakage. So you do this, leave it in for 60 seconds, it says, and then you carry on and do your normal shampoo and conditioner, and once a week, and it should improve your hair. You know me and my my issues. I'm there for it. Yeah. Next is a bubble bath by Sunday Rain, RRP 275. So let's just have I'm gonna have a sniff before I even start. Oh, no, I couldn't tell you what that is. It's a nice smell, but I couldn't tell you what it is. Does it say on the front of here, Sunday Rain? It just says charcoal pamper time. So, it's winter. Who doesn't love a bubble bath? In your lemonade box, you will either have acai berry. Is it acai or acai berry? A-C-A-I berry. Watermelon or charcoal. Well, actually, I'm glad I got charcoal because I'm not mad keen on berry scents. From Sunday Rain's absolutely gorgeous range, self-care at Christmas simply wouldn't be the same without some bubbles. So soak it all up and enjoy your bath time. And if you don't have a bath, it can also be used as a body wash. That's handy to know. £2.75. It's a different smell, but I like it. It's just not, yeah, thankfully it's not berries, as I say. Ugh, I'm not into this strawberry. I don't really like fruity smells on my body, but let's see if it actually, nope. It doesn't say anything about what the scent is meant to be. Just cleanse and brighten. Then we have, by Grace and Stella, and I know Grace and Stella, we have lots of things from them, don't we? Grace and Stella, shh, let's just sleep. It's a sleep mask, and it says hot and cold gel bead eye mask. Gotta have a look. You know, with me, with my eyes. Let's have a look, let's have a look, let's have a look. Pull it out. Oh, oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm gonna get it out the plastic as well. I'm keeping this, girls. So, can you see it's plastic, and then it's got all these squidgy gel beads in, and on this side it's like furry, like velvety. So I'm presuming if you're having it cold, you put the plastic to your eyes. If you're having it warm, you put the fur to your eyes. In fact, let's ignore me trying to figure out. Let me read what it says. It says it's worth it's worth £10, £20. It's worth £10. We've been listing over this brand for quite some time now, and we are more than certain that once you've tried this product, you'll know exactly why this is. All the way from America, we bring you the sleep mask that can be heated in the microwave or cooled in the refrigerator. When cool, it soothes tired, puffy eyes. When warm, it aids sleep, reduces congested sinuses, and increases blood flow to the eyes. It is super soft, plush, and comfortable. No hard, cold plastic here. I'm thrilled. I'm properly thrilled. I sometimes get the worst headaches. And when I say headaches, sometimes I get like this pain above my eye. It never quite becomes a full-blown migraine. I don't end up, you know, barfing everywhere and being, ah. But I bet that was a lovely picture. I don't end up being sick and, you know, feeling awful, but I can end up feeling pretty bad. So this, to be able to have it cold or hot, I am very happy. That's a very with a big V. And it's nice because it's elasticated, but it also has the Velcro on it. So I don't know about you, but these face masks we're all wearing at the moment, I get such sore ears. Oh, well with that. And then one more little thing, and it is a little thing. It's a sweetie treat, and it is Candy Kittens Eaten Mess. Vegan sweet bag by Candy Kittens, £1.50. Christmas simply isn't complete without a little sugar, so it's safe to say that we've got your something movie snack covered. Favourite movie snack covered? I don't know. For some reason, that's come through really weird on mine. In this month's box, you'll either have Eaten Mess or Tropical Mango. I'm happy with Eaten Mess. They're so incredibly delicious, full of flavour, and are perfect to sink your teeth into. There's bits missing on my, so I'm having to sort of fill it in. So palm oil free. I'm happy. You know me. It's edible. I'm there for it. So that was my lemonade box for the month. Now I have a leaflet in the bottom. Free gift. Enjoying your lemonade box? Check out our sister brand Pajama Drama Box, the ultimate bi-monthly pajama subscription. Use code FREELOVE at checkout to claim your free gift now. So maybe someone out there will want to use it. I don't wear enough pyjamas to want a subscription for pyjamas, but somebody might. Okay, so let me do my quick, here we go. Look. Let's get myself all professional. The bubble bath, I can't even keep it going for 1 minute. The bubble bath or body wash. The 60-second smooth hair elasticizer. The Eaten Mess Sweeties. The eye mask that can be hot or cold. And then this gorgeous, I mean gorgeous, facial oil. There's a reason that I love the lemonade box, and we'll keep on having this for years to come. I really rate it, ladies. So that was lemonade box. Now, I can put my laptop, not my laptop, my iPad away now. Next up is Scentful. Now, I know some of you don't understand why I get this, but I love it, so I'm going to show you it anyway. If I can get into it. That's always the biggest challenge with Scentful. You know what's funny? I was wearing one the other day. It was the Michael Kors one. I think it's Wanderlust or something. And my husband, I was in the car, and my husband suddenly said to me, wow, you smell gorgeous. And that's the sort of reaction I want. And you can only get that by trying lots of perfumes. So as per usual, here's my little box with the very pretty copper gold emblem on it. Scentful for her. And then the leaflet with the 2 perfumes. So first up, we have Marc Jacobs Decadence. Where are you? Right. Now, as I say, these are not the tiny size. I keep meaning to bring a tiny one down for you to see it. It's much bigger than you think it's going to be. Ooh, this is a strong one. Not sure I'm going to like this one, but I'll put a bit on there. Let it waft. That's quite strong. Maybe I would for evenings. Maybe that's more of an evening out smell. I mean, it is called Decadence, so it's bound to be quite strong, I suppose. Let me see what they say. Marc Jacobs Decadence is an eau de parfum that seduces with sultry top notes of Italian plum, wrapped in saffron and iris flower, then blooms into an extravagant bouquet of Bulgarian roses and creamy jasmine, with its opulent finish of warm woods and liquid amber. Decadence leaves behind an alluring trail and an unforgettable impression. So it's classed as a floral woody, and the top notes are iris, saffron and plum. The heart is Bulgarian rose, jasmine and orris, and the base is amber, vetiver and papyrus. So it's had a few minutes. It is lovely, and it is strong. I mean, that is a come hither perfume. That's a, date night with your fella. That's what that is, because that would get him going every time. It is, it's very nice. Not something I'd wear every day, and certainly not at this time of day probably, but yeah, night out, definitely. And then the other one is by Salvatore Ferragamo, and it's called Signorina Eleganza. Okay, so, ooh, that's pretty. Now this is a day perfume. This I would squish on in the, squish on? This I would spray on in the morning. Give myself a quick spritz. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, straight away that one's nice. That is a, yeah, walking around all day. I could smell like that all day. So this one, Salvatore Ferragamo Signorina Eleganza. It's an eau de parfum that celebrates feminine grace and seduction. Top notes of grapefruit and pear provide a bright opening, whilst almond and osmanthus create a delicate yet intense heart. Base notes of patchouli and white leather create a dry down that leaves a luscious, lingering scent on the skin. It's a floral oriental with a top of pear and grapefruit, heart, osmanthus and almond, base, patchouli and white leather. That is lovely. That really is. That is lovely. I could walk around wearing that all day and it wouldn't give me a headache. It wouldn't make me feel, you know, that is really, really nice. So that's my Scentful. A date night one and a wandering round one. Now let me just see. Know a perfume lover. If any of you want to join Scentful, you can save 25% by using the code FRIEND25. I will put that in the bottom. I don't know that you'll want to, but I'm letting you know. And of course, you know, this is also one of those things that could be a great Christmas gift for someone. I know we're too close to Christmas really now to be thinking about it, but birthdays and things like that. I think most women would enjoy this for a couple of months, for a whole year. I mean, I'm loving it. And I have my little tray full of them all, and I'm having to, because I've got a few now, I'm having to put sort of the day ones to the front, the evening ones to the back, and I sort of sit there going, do I want to smell like this today? No, I'll try this one. And sometimes they're great successes, although sometimes not so much. But these two I like a lot. Yes, that is very sensual. And that is just warm and floral and soft and gentle. So that's me. I've blethered on enough. I hope you're happy. I hope you're well. And yeah, remember, we've done it, guys. We're nearly there. We're still standing. Okay, love you. Bye.